Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to learn how to pause billing in the Patreon app. So basically what you need to do is first open your web browser or your app in which you want to pause the billing. So suppose basically I don't have an active membership right now, but what I'll do is that I will log in into the browser of the Apple Safari. Then here you can see your basic user interface. Now what this shows is the people you follow and also the feed. So currently I'm following this guy which name is Peku. So okay, now what we need to do is just click on the left top corner which shows three lines, and here you can see several options like feed, find creators, message, settings. Now basically what you need to do is click on the settings option, and after that let it load. Okay, after letting it load you have to slide to the rightmost area of this. Now here you can see several options like memberships, billing history. Now if you click on the membership you will see an active membership which you have purchased, but right now I don't have active membership, so I cannot pause the billing. So when you will have an active membership you will see the option of pause billing or cancel the membership. You just have to click on that and confirm the payment. After that your account will be safe. So this is how you pause the membership in the Patreon app. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.